All right, I get it. Most of you are saying to yourselves, Jared, your hair is out of control. I know, right? It's just gotten so long. The reason is, and let me just share this embarrassment. I use a wall hair trimmer to trim my hair. And last month I was trimming my hair and I dropped this while I was trimming my hair and I broke this. And this is the size I use. You know, this is the number 2 6mm size. And if I do number 3, then all of a sudden my hair gets, really out of control. And if I use the number 1, I don't want to look bald.
I'm sure it's not that noticeable. Bald.
So, the number 2 is it. That's all I use. That's the one. So what do I do now? I've broken this. Well, obviously, I print a new one. I think I can go online, find a free model to this, to replace this, print this one, print it faster and cheaper than if I ordered this on Amazon Prime. I'm guessing. So let's do a test. Let's see. My intent is this. I believe that there's actually value in households owning a 3D printer, whether it's filament or resin. I think lower tier printers actually have a place in a household to be able to print some of those things that we would need as replacements or tools or things around our house, just like we have a power drill or Bondo or other things in our repertoire of tools that we need to maintain a house. So let's give it a test. All right, so I can buy all of these, an entire pack of them for $10, $16, $29. I don't want to do that. I just want to buy one. Let's try this. Okay, so I can buy one for $10. So I can buy the whole pack and have an entire container overflowing, or I can buy just one, which is the only one I need to replace, for $10. All right, so I did a search online. I looked at Thingiverse, and I found on there a number of different choices for free models of wall attachments. So I downloaded one, and if this thing works well, I'll probably throw a little bit of love that direction as a tip to the person who produced that. I've already got my file ready to print. I got this by going to the slicer software that I use. Look at my video about slicing if you'd like to understand what slicing with a 3D printer is all about. It's pretty ingenious, actually. It's super cool. It's done. It's pretty darn close to the other one. Let's see if it fits. I'm excited to cut my hair. I'm getting tired of my hair wagging around in my eyes. It's bothersome.
No, not this time.
Okay, let's put this thing on. Oh, now that's already a fail.
You fail.
It already broke off the little tab. So that means if I'm cutting, this is going to be wiggly. It's working. It stayed on. Cut through my whole hair. I was afraid that since this snapped off so easily in putting it on, that the vibration of the trimmers would actually rattle these out of place and maybe make it fall off or maybe even crack these, but it lasted. I look good and I feel good. Boy, it's under control again. This is smooth.
It's really smooth.
Let's explain what we learned.
Let me explain. No, there is too much. Let me sum up.
Or we can sum up. To order a single razor attachment for the wall hair trimmer would cost $10. To order a whole pack would be between $10 and $29. If I ordered it on Amazon, it would take 2 days to deliver to my home. Let's talk about time and cost to print it myself. I used 12.7 milliliters of resin fluid That equates to 38 cents. That's what it cost me to print, 38 cents. It took 1 hour, 49 minutes, and 17 seconds to print. It took me about another hour to pull it off the stands, to clean it up, and then to let it harden completely to be able to put to use. But that being said, 38 cents versus $10 and 3 hours versus 2 days, in my book, that's a win.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Yes.
I used Anycubic translucent green resin. I will admit that this, I don't think was made for this kind of application. I go back to my original postulation. I still think having a resin printer as a useful tool in a home still has a place. And I think we can print a lot of the things that we need for our own use faster and cheaper than we can in ordering it. I am the cleanly trimmed Jared from DIY with Confidence. Thanks for watching this video. Please give me a like and consider subscribing so you can see other videos about how to do things yourself in your home. We'll see you next time.